Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hyderabadi Beauty and Telly Bees. Ira usually comes every day to spend some time with Ayan, and this is how they do. This is how they spend their time playing with each other and dancing to the tunes of their favorite song. Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today we have decided to go to a salon for some services. So yeah, it's been like 2 months, more than 2 months that Ayan and I haven't done our haircut. But we wanted to get this done as soon as we could because Ayan was not enjoying his grown-up hair. Because Ayan was not enjoying his grown-up hair, and we were just waiting for this day to come. Look who we have here. We are heading to Mirrors.
Ayan, are you excited to go to Mirrors after very long?
How long is it has been, Raja?
5 long days.
5 long days. Dude, it has
Well,
been more.
5 months. Okay.
Oh my god, Ayan is bored his shades. You're looking handsome, boy. And you don't like long hair?
Yes.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because here the
Ice tak aa raha. Oh my god. So you're getting uncomfortable.
Yeah. So I don't have map to do.
You don't have map.
Yeah.
Oh, Ayan doesn't have map to see the route. But Ayan knows the way, right? To Mirrors. Yeah, he's been to Mirrors. I think from past. We've been going to Mirrors from past how long? Like 3 years?
No, 5 months to do.
Yeah, we've been going to Mirrors from past 3 years.
No, 5 months.
5 months, it's been 5 months we went करना. We are going, मतलब कब से जा रहे हैं हम लोग? Ayan small से तब से जा रहे हैं ना?
Yeah.
That's what Papa is saying. 2 years.
Years old here the I go.
Yeah.
Good job, Ayan.
मम्मा से पहले कौन सी था?
So yes guys, so we've been waiting for this day since past 2 months because I think last month lockdown हो गया था and for a month there was lockdown in Hyderabad. हम लोग जा नहीं पाए बाहर कहीं पे. So yeah, after 2 good long months we are going to Mirrors to have our service done. What all service are you planning to do, Sunny? Nothing?
No, I had a very long list, but then I think I will not get it done because of time as well as safety concern. And then I want you guys to get your haircut done.
That too will do. That's not a problem. I think you can get your this thing, threading and all those facial stuff.
Facial के लिए बहुत time लगता है.
No, not facial. I'm talking about this threading. Threading too you can do. Threading, I think root touch-up क्या कहते हैं.
Root touch-up के लिए बहुत time लगता है. And नहीं आया. And guys, it's lunch time and you guys should know it's Ganesh is hungry, he will become hungry.
I become Hulk, guys.
He
And I'm hungry.
cannot control his.
Same.
I make my Iron Man suit.
Yeah,
So
he
if
cannot control his hunger. Now that we are following a strict, proper, healthy food
Oh, I
diet.
can make my Hulkbuster suit, so
Yeah.
I attend under that thing. I was big on my back.
So he will not eat anything outside. He will go crazy. He will go cranky. That's actually in his genes. I believe everyone in his family are like that. And
not used to.
control his hunger. So he becomes hungry.
And guys, I'm huge. I'm 6'1". Okay, more than 100 kg. Weight. That's why I'm doing all this stuff to reduce my weight and try to have a good fit life.
Healthy life.
Yep.
That's Mama Koda's plan.
Huh? Why prank on me?
He likes to prank me, so I prank you.
Oh, I like to prank you, so you like to prank me.
Yeah.
Yeah. What shall I prank on you, Tila?
So I prank, also I do prank. Dad, dum dum dum, not a spider.
Dal. You'll throw dal on me.
Yeah. Extended eyebrow.
But it's not holy.
It's holy only.
It's holy only. Oh. Yeah, but can I try one?
No.
Why?
I can't do it, sir. You have holy.
I don't have Kana.
Did I use Papa?
What is Papa using?
Papa, you have holy.
I don't have. Will you buy me one?
You have holy. Do it one. Papa,
Hmm.
morning में you clean car.
Yeah. I have to clean this car, guys.
Soap से. I also come. I was sweating.
So we are in Outer Ring Road and we'll be reaching the Gachibowli flyover and from there onwards we'll be taking a left. So guys, we need to take a left from this Gachibowli flyover.
Chicken.
Yeah. Chicken, correct. Chicken.
चिकन आई just saw chicken. गाइस कहते हैं अगर तुमने हैदराबाद में गाड़ी चलाना सीख लिया ना तुम दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में गाड़ी चला सकते हो गाइस. ओके गाइस, सो नाउ वी जस्ट स्टॉप. ओके गाइस, सो haircut and he's super excited for that. So earlier Shekhar used to be our stylist, but he left the job and now Chandu is taking care of Ayan's hairstyle. So Ayan just hates spraying water on his hair. Just look at his face, guys. How he's making faces. earlier Sumaya said that she'll not be getting any service done, but now if you see here, she's getting the facial threading done. So we are back to Ayan, guys. So yeah, if you see, his styling is almost done, his haircut is almost done. It's time for some hair wash, guys. So mirrors, they use genuine L'Oreal products for customers hair cleaning. So once the hair wash was done, it was the time to do the final styling, guys. So here it is, Ayan sitting there to see how he's going to get the styling done. So that's Ayan for you before and after the haircut. So finally it was my time to get the haircut done. I'm just waiting for Chandu to come and start off with my hairstyling. So pretty much our services are done in mirrors, and overall the experience was really great, and I hope you guys liked seeing Ayan getting his haircut done. So guys, yes, I'm done with my haircut. See, Ayan and Sumaya, they're both having ice cream right now. So yes, we are done with our haircut. Hope you guys like this video. Please do share, subscribe to our channel, and we would love to hear more from you, what kind of videos you guys want from us. For now, bye bye guys.
First, bye. Are you not taking your wife out?
So yeah, first we need to go home, eat our stuff, and after that we'll think of going somewhere out. We'll see how.
Buy groceries.
Yeah, we have to go out and buy some groceries. So yeah, we'll see how's Ayan's mood. We might have to put him off to sleep. And we might also sleep. Depends. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
What are you having, Ayan?
Aki.
Who is having ice cream? So whenever we come to Mirrors, he makes sure that he consumes that ice cream. So yeah, his favorite is Willy Wonka from Creamstone. So that is what he's eating right now. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. खुश रहो, मस्त रहो और
Enjoy
enjoy करो.
Tutu,